Today we are going to take a session by which I just want to improve his communication skills. So basically I have taught him how to talk English. I have taught him how to make a sentence using grammar, that is subject, supporting verbs, object and verbs. So now he is able to tell me all the tenses, and he is also able to speak with me in English. So now we are going to take a session, and are you ready now to speak with me in English?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. So let's get started now. So what is your name?
My name is Earth Divesh Baisane.
Okay. And in which school you are in right now?
Now I am in Saint Xavier High School, Airoli.
Okay. And in which standard are you?
I am in 5th standard.
Okay. So now, how are you feeling? I have taught you tenses, and now you are able to talk with me in English. Okay.
Yes.
So let's practice the formula of tense. Okay.
Yes.
So tell me formula of simple present tense.
It is S plus MV plus O.
Okay. Present continuous tense.
S plus is MR plus MV plus ING plus O.
Okay. So then present perfect tense.
S plus have has plus V3 plus O.
Okay. Then present perfect continuous tense.
S plus have has plus been plus MV plus ING plus O.
Okay. Then simple past tense.
S plus V2 plus O, and
Okay.
its other is S plus did plus MV plus ING plus MV plus O.
Okay. So then past continuous tense.
Is S plus was were plus MV plus ING plus O.
Okay. Then past perfect tense.
It is S plus S plus had plus V3 plus O.
Okay. Then past perfect continuous tense.
The had S plus had plus been plus MV plus ING plus O.
Okay. Then simple future tense.
S plus shall be plus MV plus O.
Then future continuous tense.
S plus shall be or shall will plus S plus shall be or shall will be plus MV plus ING plus O.
Okay. Then perfect future perfect tense.
It's S plus shall will plus have plus V3 plus O.
Okay. And then last one is future perfect continuous tense.
It is S plus S plus shall will plus be have plus been plus MV plus ING plus O.
So you have told me all the formulas of tenses.
Yes.
That is 12 formulas now.
Yes.
So now do you face any sort of difficulty in speaking in English?
No.
Okay. So now I have taught you how to talk English, how to make a sentence. So do you understand all this? Whatever I am teaching you, are you able to understand all this?
Yes.
Or do you face any difficulty when I am teaching you?
No.
So you are very confident now, you can talk anywhere.
Yes.
Okay, you can make any sort of communication in English.
Yes.
So do you know subject, supporting verb, then verb, main verb, V2, V3, V1? Do you know all these things?
Yes.
Okay. And do you know meaning of this, that, this, those?
Yes.
Okay. So then do you know the articles also?
Yes.
How many articles are there? Can you tell me?
3 articles are there: a and the.
Okay. So now we are going to talk English on daily basis. Okay. And what we are doing here, we are just practicing it. As you know that daily basis, what I am doing with you, we are just practicing it. You are talking with me in English, I am also talking with you in English, and that's how we are learning it. So are you getting benefited with this? You are getting benefit that we are just talking with you and you are improving. Okay. So you are becoming very confident now,
Yes.
and when you are talking in English at your school also, there also it is helping you, no?
Yes.
So you are studying in studying at home also.
Yes.
Okay. And do you speak with your friend in English?
Yes.
Okay. So now best of luck for your future, and I hope that you will also become a very good speaker in English, and we will make so many videos like, you know, we have taken right now, because he is really working hard on his communication skills, and he is very interested also. He is a studious guy, and that is why we have just hold this session, by which just I am just trying to make such videos that, you know, that we can talk English, and we have to practice for that. If we are practicing on regular basis, definitely we can make a positive impact in our life. So that's all in this video. We will make new video with new content. Till then, bye bye.